It's Prime Day. Yo, 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 and welcome back to the channel. Today we have some Amazon Prime shipments to unbox. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing here. Get that one out of the way first. Alright, here we go. Got our trusty noisy cricket knife, best one out there. Okay. Our first unboxing item. Car entertainment system, multimedia. This is for the van, for the minivan, for the Honda Odyssey. I did pick one of these up previously. It was not Android compatible, and my daughter loves to watch a whole lot of things that are on Netflix and YouTube. So it's great to find an Android compatible unit. That way you're not going to be out buying DVDs that you're not going to use anywhere else but in your van. So this way, digital files that are on our phone, we can instantly transfer to this unit, which will transfer it to the other screens within the van. So let's have a look. This is a little bit of a bigger one. It's 10-inch, so I'm hoping there's room for it to fit. Probably going to do an install video to show you guys how this works. Works out for me. There you go. Android. Microphone for the Bluetooth. Wiring harness. Another wiring harness. Oh, backup camera. I don't even think I knew this was included. So hey, the link in the description below to this unit also includes a backup camera. GPS antenna. Aha! So this is the tablet part. And this is the head unit. So I know for sure I have enough room for this part. It's just when this part is over top of it, it's gonna be tight. So I'll let you know. I'm quite curious though to have a look at this part. Oh wow, yeah, that's nice. That's a good size. Really good size screen. How it tilts and attaches to the head unit at the back here is going to be the key, or the secret, to if it's going to work for my situation. Which, that's the crazy mount that they have on the back. I think this is going to work. I think there's going to be enough room to make this work. I hope. We'll find out. Hit that subscribe button below if you want to be notified when I'm going to do an install video of this 10-inch double din car kit from Amazon. Alright. Did you hit it yet? Hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a crazy install. This is a nice screen. Bigger than any other screens you'd get. Alright. Okay, so let's see what we got in the other box. Alright, so we have a seat protector. This is awesome. This is going to protect the seat of the car from Claire's car seat. We just recently flipped it forward so that she's forward facing now. She's 22 months old. We could have done it a long time ago, but it's actually safer to have them facing the other way. So we did that as long as we could. Now we've got her forward facing. Got one of these guys here to protect the seat so that the bottom plastic of the car seat doesn't wreck the car seats of the car. So, there you go. I don't think there's going to be any install videos for this guy here, but still, hit that subscribe button below. Oh, whoa. Got my hip light. I'll have to show you guys this light sometimes. It works. Well, here, I'll show you right now. That is my light. That's kind of what gives a little bit of extra light into this room, because I only have these really small lights on the wall, and they're incandescent. Well, LEDs, but they have amber shades on them, so it gets a little bit dim in here. So that guy there works for now, brightens everything up. Not as soft as I'd like it to be, but that's why it's facing up, bouncing off the ceiling. Little lighting trick for you. Okay, so let's see what else we have in the box here. Ah, perfect. More van upgrades. So this guy here is a roof-mounted LCD monitor. I bought one before, it didn't last very long. Hopefully this one lasts a little bit longer. And the other nice part is if the mounts would be the same, that would be wicked, because then I could just screw this one up to the same mounts. We'll find out, we'll check out the instructions. And again, hit that subscribe button below, because I will do an install video of this monitor and the Android double DIN tablet system. Stay tuned for that. We'll put that together for you as I put the stuff in the car and figure it out and see how well it all works. So until next time, thanks for watching today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below to see more. Smash that like button if you like what you saw. It really makes a difference for us. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.